Friends, today you saw a new pattern magic. It is called 1 into 8 plus 1 pattern. How? What is the magic you see? 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 12 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 98. 123 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 987. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 equal to 9876. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 98765. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8 plus 6 equal to 987654. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7 equal to 9876543. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 8 plus 8 9876543 and lastly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 8 plus 9 equal to 987654321. This is the magic. To show the pattern how it started from 1 into 8 plus 1, then it is 12 into 8 plus 2, that it increases by 1. It is increases by 1. It is increases by 1. And here is the number increases from 12 to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also it increases, decreases 98, 9, 98, 987, 9876, 98765. In this way it is reduced up to 98765421. So it is the magic you see. It's a good pattern magic. Next time I will show you.